In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use playbooks in HubSpot. This will guide you through the steps necessary to set up playbooks tailored to your needs and how you can implement them efficiently. To get started, you'll need to open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because all the actions we're going to perform depend on being logged into your HubSpot environment where your data resides. Once you're logged in, we will proceed to explore one of the most useful features in HubSpot for organizing your workflows, playbooks. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the trial guide. Think of the trial guide as your treasure map. It holds all the resources you'll need to successfully set up your form-building processes, making sure you've got everything from support documents to tips right at your fingertips. Checking this out before diving into playbooks can provide you with a solid foundation. Now let's head over to your homepage. From here, you're going to want to look for the CRM section. In HubSpot, CRM is the central hub where you manage your relationships and interactions with potential and existing customers. Once in the CRM, you will find the Playbooks tab. Click on it, and it will open up a world of possibilities for organizing your processes. Next, you'll want to click on Create Playbooks. At this stage, you're at the heart of the playbook creation process. To ensure you are building something that's tailored specifically to your needs, select Start from Scratch. This option is perfect as it allows maximum flexibility, enabling you to design every step of the playbook from the ground up according to what fits your business operations best. After selecting Start from Scratch, click Create Playbooks again. Now this takes you to the customization screen. Here is where the real work begins. Start personalizing everything according to your operational needs and preferences. Pay special attention to what your team requires and focus on creating detailed guidelines and checklists that would help streamline their daily activities. Make sure it's clear, actionable, and balances your business goals with the practical needs of those who will use it every day. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits and have ensured that all the necessary components are included, go ahead and hit Publish. Publishing your playbook means it's now officially part of your operational toolkit, ready for your team to use and benefit from. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a playbook in HubSpot. With these playbooks, you'll be able to improve efficiency, maintain consistency in your processes, and provide a structured way to capture best practices within your organization. Enjoy exploring and utilizing this powerful feature to its fullest potential.